Hi folks, this is Rob at Ufstring Subaru. This video is going to go over the traction control system on the 2018 Crosstrek. You'll notice the button is located right down here in front of your left knee. To simply turn off the traction control, press the button, and to show you that the feature is turned off, you'll notice the same symbol that's on the button appears up here to the right of your speedometer. Now, why would you disable traction control? Well, the idea there is that by shutting off the traction control system, you're going to allow all of the power to be sent to all four wheels. Why would you do that? The idea is that, say you're in really deep snow, but you know that there's solid ground just underneath it. By shutting off the traction control system, you're going to send all the power to all four wheels with the idea of basically digging down to the solid ground underneath. Now, once you've gotten some traction and gotten some forward movement, go ahead and shut that feature back off for safety.